Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this video, you'll learn to use sweep with thin extrusion, extruded boss base, and fillet. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will make this pipe and then we will make the flanges, okay? And the first thing that we'll make, we will create the center of this pipe. So we will create a line here with 150 millimeters of length, and we will create an arc. And this arc here has 200 millimeters of radius because it is this radius plus this one over 2, okay? And we will create this line here with 150 millimeters, and here will be the midpoint. So open the SolidWorks, go to Sketch, select the front plane, select the line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here, move the mouse to this point again to create an arc, and make another line here. And select this line, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this one, add relation, equal, and press OK. And go to Smart Dimension. This line here has 150 millimeters and the radius here is 200 millimeters. And now go to Features and select Sweep Boss Base. And the profile and path, select the circular profile. And the diameter here, we use the 170 millimeters. So the diameter here 170 millimeters, and here active the thin features, and the thickness here is 10 millimeters because the internal distance here is 150. So we have 10 millimeters to this side and 10 millimeters to this side. But here make sure to change the direction because this 10 millimeters is to inside, and press OK. To make sure that it is correct, go to Evaluate and select Measure. Select this arc here, the diameter 150 millimeters, and select this one 170 millimeters. Okay, and go to Sketch again, and here we will select this face here, and now we will create this flange. So we will create this sketch. It is a square with 300 millimeters. So select the center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here. Select this line, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this one, add relation equal, and go to Smart Dimension. The distance here is 300 millimeters. Okay. And now we will create this circle here. You can make a rectangle 100 by 100 millimeters. Sorry, 200 by 200 millimeters for reference. And in this point here will be the center of the circles. This circle has 40 millimeters of diameter. So make a center rectangle again and click here at this point. Make a rectangle here. Go to Smart Dimension, 200 millimeters. You can select these lines here, and you can transform this to construction geometry. And now select a circle, make a circle here. This circle has 40 millimeters of diameter. And make these circles equal. select the circle, hold the Ctrl in the keyboard, select the other circle, and edge relations equal. Make the same. And now select this circle here and go to convert entities. Okay. And we will extrude this. So go to feature, select extrude. We needed to extrude this 40 millimeters. So the distance here 40 millimeters and press OK. And in the corners here we have a fillet with 20 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here. The radius here is 20 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. Now we need to create the same profile in this face here. Okay, in this face, sorry. We have the same sketch here. The flanges are equals. So to create this, we will go to sketch and select this face here and go to convert entities, select the circle, press OK, and select the center rectangle. Click here in the center of the circle, make a square here, select this line, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this one, and edge relations equal, and go to smart dimension. The distance here 300 millimeters, and make another rectangle here, make a square here, sorry. This square has 200 millimeters, and transform this in a construction geometry, and select a circle, make a circle in these points, make this equals, and go to smart dimension. The diameter here is 40 millimeters of diameter, and go to feature, select extruded boss base 40 millimeters, press OK, and make another fillet here with 20 millimeters of radius. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.